Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best selfie sticks which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Fugetek Portable Selfie Stick and Tripod. The Fugetek Selfie Stick and Tripod combine the benefits of 2-in-1, a selfie stick that doubles up as a tripod when its legs are extended. It lets you capture some of the best selfies. Its height is adjustable up to a length of 51 inches and collapses up to a length of 19, allowing for easy storage, portability and convenience for the user. This long selfie stick equipped with a universal mount. This selfie stick is compatible with most of the phones, and the quick flip lock mechanism means you don't have to twist the rod to lock it in place. Made of heavy-duty aluminum, it is sturdy and designed to be long-lasting, and the rubber feet on the tripod provide it with more stability. Operating the selfie stick couldn't have been easier, as the Bluetooth remote that comes along with this product allows you to effortlessly manage the controls and has a long battery life of up to 300 hours standby and 1 hour charging time. The manufacturer provides a 1-year warranty for this selfie stick. Compelling reasons to buy. Bluetooth-enabled selfie stick cum tripod with rubber feet. Maximum height is 51 inches and collapsible to 19 for easy portability. Heavy-duty aluminum body. Universal phone mount that is compatible with most phones. Bluetooth remote with long battery life. 1-year warranty. Number 2. GoPro 3-way grip arm. Tripod. Still feel silly about getting a selfie stick? The GoPro 3-way is a selfie stick you can buy without feeling vain, since it actually offers multiple types of photographic functions. It can be used as a camera grip, extension arm, or tripod. It is waterproof, so you'll feel safe using this selfie stick in even the most inclement weather. If you are a die-hard GoPro fan, this is definitely the mount for you. Though it should be noted that the extension on this stick is much shorter than many of the other selfie sticks included in this roundup. Pros: compatible with all GoPro models. Versatile design, lightweight and waterproof. Removable tripod stores inside the handle. Collapses down to less than 8 inches. Cons: limited extension of 20 inches. High price tag. Lacks an internal battery or remote. Number 3. MFW Bluetooth Selfie Stick with Tripod. If you are looking for the most universal selfie stick, then MWF is a good option. Besides phones and action cameras, it can fit tablets and DSLRs. It can also be extended to the impressive 59 inches. Which is perfect in case you need to snap a group shot. The remote is either attached to the handle or can be taken off when using the MWF as a tripod. You can control this best selfie stick from the distance of no more than 30 feet, which is quite impressive. Using this selfie stick as a tripod is super easy. It turns into a 10-inch tripod that can be placed on the desk, any uneven surface, be it the ground or a rock in the woods. The selfie stick is made of anodized aluminum and has a rubber handle, which makes it very convenient to use. Product key features: compatible with different devices. Extra long, steady tripod. Anti-slip handle. Cumbersome. Number 4. Extendable Selfie Stick with Tripod. We all love taking great photos, but our hands can only do so much. And that's where the extendable selfie stick comes in. With this 2-inch-1 selfie stick tripod with a built-in wireless remote, you can take professional pictures and videos without asking for help. The remote control feature on the product allows you to take selfies or group pictures with the selfie stick or tripod. You can also extend the tripod between 7.9 to 27 inches. So you can use it to cover even wider angles. From regular photos and videos to FaceTime and Skype meetings, this selfie stick is great on all fronts. The extendable selfie stick is especially great for travelers because of its compact shape. You can fold it and take it anywhere with you, and thanks to the durable build, you can also rest assured that it will last long. An additional feature from the selfie stick is the 360-degree adjustable phone holder, which supports mobile phones up to 3.2 inches wide. It is compatible with many phones, including iPhones, Android, and Huawei smartphones. The selfie stick tripod has rave reviews from buyers, and it is worth every penny you pay for it. Number 5. ATUMTEK Bluetooth Extendable Selfie Stick. Take your selfies and photographs to the next level with the ATUMTEK Bluetooth Selfie Stick. On this model, you get a quality aluminum extendable stick, a tripod stand, and a selfie stick. The extendable pole is made with aviation-grade aluminum, so that it's durable and sturdy. Rest assured that your phone will stay put while you take photos and record videos. The AUtumntech selfie stick includes a 270-degree rotatable phone holder that supports mobile phones' horizontal clips and vertical clamps. There's also a 180-degree adjustable angle that allows you to take your photos at several angles. Then, there's the Bluetooth remote control that allows you to take professional shots by yourself. All of these, combined with the compact and lightweight design of the selfie stick, make it perfect for a solo traveler. You can do a ton of things with the AUtumntech selfie stick, from live internet broadcasts to comfortably binge watching your favorite TV shows. This is a super high quality selfie stick, and it is worth the investment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.